going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about a variation of a kettlebell sumo deadlift that we perform on a semi-regular basis in class. This variation is going to introduce what's called an isometric. It's going to be an isometric-based exercise, and it's called the Kettlebell Sumo Iso Hold, okay? Now, when you start on this exercise, whether it's a novice option or an advanced option, you're essentially going to set up in the same position, which is going to be your sumo deadlift position, okay? So you're going to want to make sure that you refer back to our barbell sumo deadlift and kettlebell sumo deadlift videos. That way you understand the starting position for sumo deadlift. But when I set my feet, I'm going to go feet oftentimes a little bit wider than shoulder width if that's most comfortable for your clients. Toes are going to be turned out, and I'm going to focus when I start on spreading the floor, externally rotating at the hips and pushing my knees out, okay? Now I'm going to pick this kettlebell up and I'm going to hold it 1 inch off the ground for the predetermined time on that boot camp workout. Typically we'll use 30 seconds to 45 seconds for an iso hold. If you have somebody that's really advanced, they can do 2 kettlebells, but my strong recommendation is focus on form first, okay? That's your big coaching cue, is when you start this position, you want to be able to hold that position the entire time, same as you would with a plank or any other isometric. So again, I'm going to keep my chest up, push my knees out over my toes, spread the floor as much as possible, pick that weight up just an inch, and hold right from here in that position. As your clients start to get tired, they might end up in a spot similar to this. Coach them, and this is my next coaching cue for you, to go lighter with the weights, light enough so that they can maintain perfect position the entire time while making this exercise difficult, okay? Guys, give these coaching cues a try the next time we do kettlebell sumo deadlift iso holds in one of our boot camp workouts.